20 entries. Second place for the drum and light competition is none other than, please clap our hands and say congratulations. Second place goes to entry number 1, the Group West. And of course, our first place for this 2025 drum and light competition is entry number 2, Kalinan West District.
Thank you very much. Our champion, Kalinan, is a back-to-back winner. Last year, kampo na ni champion, no? Congratulations, Kalinan. Ugma sa closing, mag-perform mo. Ha? Dapat taas na din ang energy. Congratulations also to Tugboat West. Yamana National High School, pakiklaim inyong ID. Kung dili, pailisan ako ni Manok